Hello friends, welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain two blind brothers reviews. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. So guys, you need to visit the menu option button here and then you will find the original website by clicking this option. And this is an e-commerce store based in United States that sells or deals with clothing and accessories for men, women and kids. So you can take a look at the product category list here. And they provide blind boxes of various prices that contain the surprise. So let's begin with the payment information first. So let's visit the FAQ section first. And here you will find the information related to the company, related to the shipping, duration, return policy, and here is the information related to payment. So you need to click this option guys, and the modes of payment available on the website are American Express, MasterCard, Visa and Discover Network. Apart from that, the company also accepts PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay and Amazon Pay. Now let's discuss about shipping policy. So guys, you need to click this option here and you will find that the standard shipping duration will be 5 to 7 business days for domestic, and if your order is international then it will be 15 to 20 business days. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign. And talking about its domain information, the domain name of this website was created on 16th of December 2015. It means it is a legit website. Now let's check out the About Us information of the site to know more about this website. So here is the About Us page, and you will find the information related to their mission, offering, etc. So guys, here you will find the information related to company's honor as well, which is a good sign. Now talking about contact us information guys, let's check out the contact us page of the site. So this was the contact us page, but yes, they have not mentioned contact details of the site, which is not a good sign. And talking about social media existence guys, the site has strong social media existence on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, which shows its legitimacy. Now let's check out the return policy. So here we go. So we need to find out the return information here. And here you will also get the information of return or refund process as well. And guys, according to the website details, the return policy, here you can see or read, the order can only be returned for a full refund within 45 days of purchase. Guys, do comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product. And as per the Two Blind Brothers reviews, guys, the company has 3.8 star ratings out of 5 stars because of the mixed reviews. Yes, we have found mixed reviews about this site on the internet, as this site is popular from last so many years. And guys, customers, a majority of the customers are happy with the customer service of this site and loved the quality of the products and the policies of the company as well. But yes, there is a negative side as well. Some customers claimed that although they received the blind shopping parcel, the product inside is not worth the money. So some of them also complained about the team member not responding to the emails and late deliveries. So guys, this was the unbiased review of this company, and yes, on the basis of our research or study, we can say this is a legit website. But yes, guys, you should explore more about this website before making any online purchase. It is always suggested, please go for your research before investing the money. And guys, if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting, guys, keep supporting, and please like this video. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe, and thank you so much.